All right. Well, good afternoon. So the brief update today for COVID-19 for Forsyth County. Cases have decreased 3% over the last 14 days. Uh, so it started to sort of level off. We've reached this bottom. So we're having 80 or 90 cases per week now. So we seem to have hit that. See, looking to what's going ahead, we hope we stay there. Probably realistically, we'll start to see a little bit of an uptick in cases, a little bit of an increase, but not really. We don't believe what we're seeing that there'll be any wave. It'll just be a sort of a slight increase. We have had our deaths continue to decrease. They're decreased 40% over the last 14 days. BA2 variant, that is now the predominant variant across the nation. So we're keeping track of that. We are seeing upticks of cases in other parts of the U.S. We're seeing more cases. You see it up in New York, Massachusetts, Rhode Island, out west, like Montana. And we also are seeing an uptick in cases that are neighboring Forsyth County. Stokes, Yakin, and Guilford have started to see a slight uptick in cases. So we're monitoring that here. The One Nation Art Project, um, Forsyth County, or Winston-Salem, actually was one of 9 cities in the U.S. chosen to pilot a national arts and wellness project focused on arts engagement with the historically marginalized population and focused on how COVID affected those historically marginalized populations. So this is actually being led by the Arts Council and the UNC School of the Arts, and Public Health is a participant. And we appreciate that partnership. And a lot of people remember that over around a year ago, we were partnering with the Arts Council to have performers perform at our mass vaccination clinic out at the fairgrounds. So, but excited about this One Nation art project. Next, looking at our metrics, we had the week of the 27th, we only had 94 cases for that whole week. Our percent positivity was 2.8% for that week. Only 5 Forsyth County residents are currently in the hospital with COVID. We have 6 long-term care centers that have outbreaks. We had well over 30 a month ago. So we've hit quite a low with the number of long-term care centers with outbreaks and 0 clusters in our child care centers.